Now on the show, we have some tips on staying healthy this winter.
So my name is Keith Reid. I'm a public health physician with the District Health Board here. So my principal role is around managing the effects of communicable diseases in the community. So trying to protect people from communicable diseases and trying to ensure that people who have communicable diseases are looked after in a way which means that they don't share them with the rest of the population. The key illnesses that we're going to have this winter are sort of cold type illnesses, influenza and gastroenteritis. And the best thing people can do is to keep their bugs to themselves. So how do they do that? First of all, if you're unwell or ill in any way, you need to stay away from work or school, so you don't share your bugs with your schoolmates or your workmates. The second thing you need to remember to do is to wash your hands. And that's particularly the case for gastroenteritis, where you need to wash your hands every time after you've been to the toilet. You should always be washing your hands before you're preparing food and before you're eating. When you're washing your hands, what you're actually doing is actually dislodging the germs from your hands using soap and water to get the germs off the surface of the skin and then washed away down the sink. So you do need to wash your hands for a full 20 seconds, and you need to make sure that you wash all your hands, not just your fingertips. Make sure you wash your palms, in and around your thumb, and the back of your hands especially is an area which is often forgotten about. But 20 seconds is about singing Happy Birthday to Me twice. You might get some odd looks if you sing it out loud, so you can sing it in your head, but kids might find that quite enjoyable to sing it out loud and make it into a bit of a game. It's important that you dry your hands. If you don't dry your hands, then what can happen is that any germs which remain on your hands, you can then transfer them onto door handles and other hard surfaces where they can live to infect other people. So let's make sure that you dry your hands thoroughly, both sides, and if you're using a paper towel, make sure that goes in the bin. It's important that hard surfaces are wiped down regularly. Use a spray or a diluted bleach solution to kill any bugs which may have landed there. Make sure you keep them clean and keep them free of dirt. The thing that's going to help you get through the winter is by looking after yourself, being aware of your body, keeping warm, eating properly, exercising well. If you've got chronic health conditions, making sure that you keep in touch with your doctor or your primary care staff at your general practice. And don't forget to enjoy the winter. It's a time where you can get outside, you can enjoy the fresh air, you can enjoy the great countryside that we have in this part of the world, and enjoy it with your family as well.
Some great advice there about staying healthy this winter.